Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, man. I'm back again with another video. I'm sorry I've been away from y'all for so long, baby. I know it's been a minute. A lot been going on. I'm about to start doing YouTube full time, by the way. So I probably will be dropping videos daily, and I probably think I'm gonna do another channel too. But by the title, pretty sure you can tell what this video is about. At the moment, I've been using a new software. And I must say this software that I'm using, I like it. I like it a lot. A lot of people probably are not familiar with this software, probably never heard of this software. But today you're going to hear about it. You feel me? You're going to hear about it today. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all sit back, relax, man. Enjoy the video. You know, we're going to have them bangers for you coming. Them bangers. Yeah, I'm starting up the screen record now. And we're going to record the entire screen. So I'll get to record. We're going to jump in here. Let me close these a little bit so y'all can't really. Alright, so let's get to it, baby. We lit. Hey. But for real, this is Kylin. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I call it Kylin. Some people might call it Kylin. OneClick. This has been my replacement. I still have AYCD. I don't have Kodak Essentials anymore. I don't think I do. I haven't renewed it or anything. I don't even know when the renewal date is, but if it's probably already passed. But this is Kylin OneClicks, man. And when I tell you guys, don't worry about this 0.3 score. Don't worry about that, cause I can't. That's another story. But when I tell you guys that I literally bought just unwarmed Gmails and formed these by myself, yo, when I tell y'all, like, bro. And I mean, tonight I'm just gonna run through them. Like, some of them says that my health score hasn't been updated since like the 29th, or you know, I'm gonna just let them just ride out, let them just do their thing. You know what I'm saying? But this is a hell of a bot, as they call it. They call it Kylin OneClick, and then they have Kylin bot. You can see this is the symbol for it. You have your proxies, your sites, your accounts tab, your settings. Have my time up here. This will take you to the YouTube. This will take you, I think, to, I said YouTube. This will take you to the Twitter. This will take you to the Discord. You can export, import. Which I don't think the import-export situation is working too good, because I tried to export some Captchas from the bot into Kodak. It wasn't too successful. I'm going to also try with AIO, because tomorrow is the Yeezy drop. Hearing that it's going to be under 10K stock, so it's going to be a little tough for your boy, but you know what I'm saying, we're gonna make sure we try to grab a few pair. You know what I'm saying? We've been doing good on the Yeezys. Hey, another thing, I haven't been able to screen record for you guys. Why? Because I'm noticing when I'm screen recording, everything on my computer is lagging. I'm working on building me a PC. I'm starting to buy the parts now. It's gonna take a minute before I have my live comps, but they coming. I promise y'all. I promise you. And then I be talking like this all weird, and you know, so I got these braces. But let's get back to it though. As you can see, like it's saying right now, it's taking a break. In a few, it's gonna pretty much go to sleep. The bot sleeps at 11:59 until 7 in the morning. It sleeps. Um, and then also shout out to Hype Proxies. You know what I'm saying? Hype Servers is one of the newest sponsors. You know, your boy is sponsored with Hype Servers. Um, Shout out to them, to those guys for all the work that they're doing. They're a new server company, also pretty fairly new proxy company. Um, their capture proxies are looking pretty legit lately. Um, since I bought them, I think I bought like all of these um, are their proxies. All of these, the 208 and the 92s are not, but everything that's 208 is their proxies. So when it comes to their proxies, I really say that I think I like them. The 209s are theirs as well. So as you can see, they're the only proxies that I'm using. You know what I'm saying? We got OneClicks, we got 0.9s. All these you see with the blue checks are the invisible OneClicks. The green checks are the V3 OneClicks, if I'm not mistaken. I know if you have a check, you get OneClicks on Supreme, and that's pretty much what I'm aiming for. And also just by these 0.9 scores, I just feel like that I'm gonna just kill Yeezys. I'm probably gonna do probably 200 tasks tomorrow on Kodai and probably about 50 tasks on Soul. Um, and I'm gonna let them do what it do. My last Yeezy drop was pretty successful. I really think I did pretty good on it. Even though Kodai ran out of cookies, but other than that, I was passing Q without, with no issues. I think I passed Q probably like 27 times. Only had 4 checkouts though, so um, I think I'm gonna just use the add to cart, the auto checkout on Kodai, and not the browser mode because the browser mode was a little iffy. Um, but the auto checkout mode was legit. Like my first two tasks I passed on was the browser mode, um, and it was all because of Kylin. You know what I'm saying? And the company that I've been getting my Gmails from, Easy Clicks. This guy here, this guy here, Let's Cop, has been coming through so clutch for me. Like, man, like y'all really don't understand. Like I hit him up and was like, bro, I need 50 Gmails. He was like, you need 50? I was like, yeah. I was like, he's like, you gotta be OneClick. I was like, nope, I just need 50 Gmails. He said, bet. Gave me, boy, the deal he gave me was just unbelievable. But this is who I'm copying my Gmails through. I also sometimes use Watch Solutions for my Gmails. So you guys feel free to, you know, add these companies if you're looking for Gmails. And just one clicks, man. One clicks are so important when it comes to Supreme because Supreme you want to be as fast as possible. You don't want to have to sit there and click on 3 images and wait if you're not getting the just 3 images captures. You have to wait till the image shows, and you have to click 3 more, and have to wait, and have to click another one. You don't want that. You just want it just like this. You want to get those one clicks, and a 0.9 score and a 0.7 score is literally your Google score of how much Google trusts that Gmail. As you know, it's a lot of bot stuff going on. How I run it, but it's a lot of bot stuff going on in the world, and they want to keep out, the high risk Gmails. They want to keep those scores as low as possible. So you can't use those on sites. You can't check out stuff with those Gmails. So that's why you want your Gmails to be high scores. I think that's about it. Probably have another proxy video coming soon. Like I said, it's been about 3 weeks since I gave y'all a video, and I apologize. We're coming. stronger than ever. We're coming. We're gonna do this together. But you know what I'm saying? Shout out to you guys. We hit 300 subs. Hit 300 subs. We at like 307 now. So you know what I'm saying? Appreciate the support, baby. Appreciate the support. We almost at 500. Like I said, when we get to 500, gonna have something special. And if you make it this far in the video, bro, salute you, man. Matter of fact, you make it this far in the video, bro, put a thumbs up in the comments. Thumbs up. I just need a thumbs up in the comments if you make it this far. And I'm gonna start just choosing you guys, and I might, you know, choose a person to send some proxies to. I might choose a person to rent out a bot. You know what I'm saying? I got a few bots I'm not using. I'm not using like F3, TKS. You know what I'm saying? So if you made it this far, you getting all these juicy information. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you, bro. I salute you. But other than that, man, yeah, Kylin, OneClick. If you get a chance to get it in the group buy, I'm telling you, get it. Get it, bro. You heard me. So, Kylin OneClick, Kylin OneClick, Kylin bot, Kylin bot, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you get it. Right now, it's the latest thing on the market, and it's forming these Gmails pretty quickly and pretty precisely. Peace, love, and happiness, man. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we're on our way to 500. Once we get to 500, got something special for you boys. Peace, love, and happiness. Your boys out.
They do wrecking me laid, they second me paid. You nigga grew out your way when you should've shaved. I'm in my own lane, bitch.